Hello everyone, I'm Rich Longo, the Director of the Duquesne University Small Business Development Center. This past quarter has again proven that the Duquesne SBDC is working hard on behalf of the small business community. Bridges to Business, our podcast initiative, has been met with much success. This quarter, we featured our clients House Call Personal Training, LLC, Cannonsburg Cake Company, and Velo AI. These episodes highlight from the business owner's perspective business constructs such as successes, failures, challenges, and what one should do differently. The Ukrainian community reached out to us and we gladly responded to assist those refugees who are business owners in the Ukraine who now, because they're being legally in the United States, on how to go about restarting their businesses. A series of workshops were held covering all of the immigration and operational aspects of how to operate and run a business in the United States. These were met with much success. We joined the Pittsburgh Business Networking Group by hosting a meeting here at Duquesne University. Over 50 business owners attended, allowing them to network from a business-to-business perspective. The SBDC provided an overview of services designed for these businesses to see the SBDC as an available business resource. Given the success from the last quarter, the So You Want to Start a Business workshop was once again offered in our Lawrence County Outreach Office, in conjunction with the Lawrence County Chamber of Commerce. The workshop entails having the area microlenders present, representatives from the Western Pennsylvania SBA District Office, and the SBDC. In addition, a small business owner from the area is brought in to provide the attendees with a real-world example of what it is like to start a business. It was well attended and has provided evidence that these will be held on a periodic basis throughout all of our outreach areas. Buchanan Ingersoll has joined the Pro Bono Legal Services Program, even further expanding the capabilities of legal services to the small business community. On behalf of all of us here at the Duquesne SBDC, we are glad to be able to bring you this update and hope for even more to come next quarter. Be on the lookout soon for information on two of our upcoming workshop presentations that are going to be held in June. Our growth conference, which will be held at the end of June, and Opportunity Knocks, which will be held in the beginning of June. So stay tuned for more information to come on those two events. Thank you.